Hello, you are welcome to my channel. My name is Victor and I create content on how to make money online. Today, I'm going to walk you through how you can make money as an affiliate marketer. First of all, we're going to be looking at what an affiliate marketing is. Affiliate marketing is a business model which allows you to recommend someone else's product and earn a commission when it is sold. Your job is to pre-sell customers about a product and then connect them to where they can buy it. You can pre-sell them on various online platforms such as a website or through social media. Before you can start as an affiliate marketer, there are some things that you need to understand. You have to understand how it works. Today, I'm going to introduce to you an affiliate program which you can sign up for free and then you start promoting people's product and then earn a commission when the product is being sold. But before then, let us look at how an affiliate marketing works. So first of all, you have to create information online about a topic you love. Secondly, people consume your content and trust you. You become the friendly expert. Thirdly, you make product recommendations and tell people where they can order online. Then the fourth one is when someone clicks a link or advertisement on your website, it is tracked by the affiliate program. Then the last one is if someone makes a purchase based on your recommendation, the affiliate program tracks this transaction and you receive a commission. Like I say today, I'm going to introduce to you an affiliate program. So the name of the affiliate program is called Stakecut. Before I proceed, please, if you have not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe and turn on your notification button. By doing that, you have quick access to my subsequent videos. So back to business. So when you click on the link that I'm going to drop on the description box, you'll be taken to this sign up page. So this is a sign up page. So Stakecut is simply an affiliate card system that allows you take affiliate orders in dollars and major African currencies by simply copying and pasting a single line of code on your website. You might be wondering that you don't have a website. How are you going to do this? Don't worry. I'm going to show you how you can create your own website or squeeze page that will enable people to click on your affiliate link. Okay, so don't worry, I'm going to show you everything. So after this video, I'm going to create another video that will explain everything about website creation, so you don't need to worry about it. It's very simple and it is free. Okay, you don't need to pay before you can be able to create a website. It's completely free. So all you need to do is to watch this video from the beginning to the end and you are going to get much value from it. So since you are new on the site, all you need to do is to click on claim a free account. So when you click on it, this is where you are going to create your account. Okay, already have an account, you sign in, but if you don't have, then you have to create it here. You enter your first name, your last name, your email address, your working email address, and then you create your password. Then you have to agree to the terms and service and then click on sign up with email. Okay, so since I already have an account with them, I actually created this account today for the sake of this tutorial. So I already have an account with them, so I'm not going to be creating. So all I need to do is to click on sign in and then I'll be taken to my dashboard. Boom. So this is my dashboard. So my total earnings is what? Is zero. Like I said before, I just created this account today for the sake of this video, though I've been an affiliate marketers with expertnias. So the difference between this very one and expertnias is that this one you will not have to pay anything before you become a member, but expertnia you will have to pay a sum of 10,000 naira. Registration fee is 10,000 naira. Then if you don't want to pay the 10,000 naira, all you need to do is you buy the course worth about 62,000 naira before you become a member. Though is very wonderful. It's a very wonderful affiliate program. People have been making money from it, but this one is free. Okay, while that one is not free. So I just created this account today. I'm going to walk you through how you can be able to earn from this affiliate program. Now, if you scroll up, you can see the top vendors. So these are the top vendors. Okay, Joshua Umba, Caesar Namani, Caleb, Uwaneka, and Abraham. So these are the top vendors, and these are the best selling products. They're the best selling products so far: Ultimate Affiliate Marketing Program, Daily Info Product Sales System, Amazon KDP for smartphone. If you've been on social media, you've been seeing all these hot products. Okay, Affiliate Marketing Accelerator Program, like they say madly, these are the hot products. So if you are promoting any of these, I bet you make a lot of sale from it, because people buy them a lot. Okay, people buy them a lot. So if you're opportune to promote any of them, definitely you're going to make money. Okay, so how do you start? So first of all, you need to set up your account. You can see it here. Please update your profile before you continue. So I'm going to show you that later. For now, I'm going to take you to a marketplace where you see so many products that you will promote. Okay, so if you want to go to the marketplace, all you need to do is, you can see these three dotted line, three lines here. You can see the three lines. All you need to do is to click on it. So if you click on it, you can see marketplace. So you just click on it and you'll be taken to where the products are. So these are the products that we are going to be promoting. We have so many of them. Look at the first one, Amazon KDP for smartphone. It's a very wonderful digital product that you can promote and earn a commission when the product is being sold. And you can see the second one, Affiliate Marketing Accelerator Program, Ultimate Affiliate Marketing Program. Most of them are digital products. And one thing is that, okay, let me show you something. Now, if you scroll, you can see the launch date, the product type, and the price. Okay, like the first product, you can see the price here. The first product, you can see the price, $33, and this is the commission. That means if you promote this product and let's say you are able to make a sale, definitely you are going to be getting 50% of the sale price, okay, of the selling price. So that means if you sell this product, or if people buy this product through your affiliate link, you are going to be getting half of the selling price, that is $33. So it's 50-50. You get 50% commission. Okay, so how do you promote this product? So if you want to promote any of this product, all you need to do is to click on what? Promote. You click on promote. Now this is the product page, but there is something I want to tell you. Before you promote any product, make sure you have good knowledge about the product. Okay, because people might ask you question. That is why you have to read about the product very well, so that when someone asks about the product you are promoting, you should be able to give the person an answer. So how do you have a good knowledge about the product you are promoting? Now, if you want to read about the product you are promoting, all you need to do is to click on this JV, you click on this JV page, click on it. So if you click on it, you'll be taken. If you click on it, it will open. So this is where you read about the product. Make sure you pay keen attention. Okay, have to pay attention to details, so that when somebody asks you, you should be able to provide an answer. Okay, so all you need to do is to come here, and then you move up. You can see copy affiliate. Look at it here, copy affiliate link below. So all you need to do is to copy the affiliate link, and then you go and paste it on your website. Like I said before, I'm going to create a video that will explain how you can be able to create your own website or squeeze page, because that is what you are going to be posting on social media. You understand? A website or a squeeze page that carries this affiliate link, so that when somebody clicks on that affiliate link through your website that you post on social media, the person will be redirected to this Stakecut page where the purchase will be done. Like I said before, if you are yet to subscribe, please subscribe and watch out for more videos. Thank you very much for watching.